future. Suzuki Swift.
If you're looking for a small hatchback that's fun to drive, affordable to buy, and spacious enough to carry 5 adults for short trips, the Suzuki Swift is well worth a look.
It's been a global icon since the first generation saw the light in 2004. And now, 17 years later, and in its third generation, the ever-popular Suzuki Swift receives a few further improvements that will make it even more attractive to a wider range of customers.
Swift speaks performance, style, and dynamism from every angle. Its new dual-tone sporty design is sharp and purposeful, and accentuated by the Sporty Cross Mesh Grille with bold chrome accent, precision cut two-tone alloy wheels, and LED projector headlamps.
The Swift's attributes make it a top seller for Suzuki worldwide trend. Before we focus on what is new, let's have a quick glance at what it is that makes the Swift so popular. It was and still is light, compact and roomy, at the same time with its distinctive design elements such as the wraparound windows, strong shoulder lines and vertical headlamps. Add to this nimble yet frugal performance and a practical choice of various models to suit different needs and wants, and it becomes very clear why over 7.5 million Swifts have found homes across the globe. Power in this latest version is still derived from Suzuki's renowned 1.2-litre petrol engine, delivering generous amounts of power and torque, striking a perfect balance between performance and economy. The figures are 61 kilowatts, 113 Newton meters, and 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers. And between an entry-level GA model with a manual transmission and 2 more specifications in GL and GLX guise, each with a choice of manual or automated manual transmissions, the Swift range is set to continue to meet a wide range of customer requirements. So, what's new? When starting at the front, the updated Swift has an all-new front grille, now with stylish chrome accents splitting the top and bottom halves. The GLX model receives polished 15-inch alloy wheels with a new design, while both GL and GLX derivatives have sport dual-tone exterior body colors. In the same breath, the lower specification GA and GL models will now feature rear park distance control, just like the GLX version. Speaking of GLX, it boasts a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink connectivity. Entry to this model is keyless with a push start. To further validate its GLX status, it has full automatic climate control. Sportiness remains a core attribute of the Swift, and while its great handling no doubt contributes to its character, the same great handling also provides an increased level of safety. In the updated Swift, this is further enhanced by an electronic stability program with traction control across the range. One will also notice a luggage shelf added to the GA model, as well as a luggage area light in the GL. Suzuki Auto SA will continue to offer a variety of different body colors, including a few new 2-tone colors such as Fire Red with a black roof, Arctic White Pearl with a black roof, and Midnight Blue with a white roof.
The ride quality on offer is a little stiff, especially at low speeds. But it's not back-breaking. All things considered, the 2021 Swift available only with a petrol engine, by the way, should very much be among your top picks if you're looking for a fun, reliable, and good-looking hatchback. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.